Hello traders, welcome to today's video. Guys, this is Henry here. Guys, we are on third video explaining the Pocket Candle AI signal with live trading on this tournament account. Okay. Today we are going to the next money management system and also to update you guys on the tournament account participating that I'm using to prove that the Pocket Candle AI works. Okay. As I go through all the money management system, then I'm also at the same time letting you guys know which of the money management I prefer, and also based on your account balance, which money management you should use. Okay. So remember, when you register, it's free to register. You can have access to these pages, educational things that you can have here. And also, in near future, you will be able to download free indicators, be able to see our premium indicators, free robots and premium robots as well. All right. Here on the news section, I think I've made video about this, about the news. Okay. When you click on the news, it's going to bring you here when you click on the news. Okay. So let's say that you don't have any, you don't have any subscription. You can use this news system here. When you enable it, it's going to pay. You can put the voice. Okay, you can just put the voice. It's going to. You can also, that is important. You can also use the voice in your own language. Okay, so you are not forced to use English language. You can change the language you want. As you can see, we have English USA, English UK, Portuguese, Portuguese from Portugal, Spain, Spanish, French. We have a lot of language. So you can put the language you want, which is very good. Okay, now enable alerts. This you can choose if you want only high impact news. I am using medium and high. If I put here low, it's going to show me the low as well. Okay, but I'm using only these two. So the upcoming news is in 4 hours 11 minutes. So with this alone, 15 minutes before the news, you're going to have a voice message about the news. Okay, voice alert. Okay, and also you can use this as well to see the market sentiment. So this is free and it's important to use. It's good. Okay, and now for those who have not been able to, who are seeing the video for the first time, you get the plans here. Okay, you can watch the other videos, but if you click here, you go to the plans, and when you subscribe, it's going to use the same email that you used to register. That's the email you have to send to us. You can chat on Telegram direct for faster activation. Okay, so it's going to use the email that you used to register on the PocketCandleAI.com, and after your payment, your account will be activated based on what you subscribe for. Okay, now when you're on this page, all you need to do is to click here to go back. So this clicking here is going to take you direct to what you subscribed for. Okay, so it have took me back to my dashboard. It's a lifetime VIP dashboard. I have access to the read bot and other stuff when I click on members here, and also those on pro plan, monthly pro plan, you can have access to the read bot as well. Okay, it is included, and you have access to the Gold AI auto trading platform as well. Okay, but since we are here, remember, once again, I will keep repeating, this is not ready yet. We are building something different. Okay, I'm not going to go into that, but when it's ready, you will have signals on here, sessions. I think we need to remove this because there's no need to keep this here when we have it here. And it's setting off you have your API key for the MT4 to send signals here. We are also having a copy trade where you can copy orders and receive or send signals. And here we have dashboard. It's loading. So this dashboard is going to show you all your connected brokers. Okay, then we have Telegram. You can be able to send signals on Telegram. We have news, also the same you have on the other side, you have it here. Okay, so I can set this news here. Actually, it was set already. Okay, so I can see the news. All right, and here is settings where you can add your broker. Okay, you can add your brokers here. All right, so let's move direct. Want to put it on news here, and then let's move down to the AI signals. So once again, when you are here, you choose your broker. Okay, of course, that's the first thing. I'm trading on Xnova, so I'm going to choose Xnova broker. So once again, I'm going to explain this because some people keep asking questions. This expiry is when the auto trading starts working. That's why you choose the expiry you want for the auto trade on your broker. But since it is not working, I don't need to do anything now because the expiry I'm using is 5 seconds. I can change any expiry I'm using because I'm trading manually. So once that is done, I'm going to click start as I proceed here. Now listen very carefully. Here I'm going to choose my currency pair. Okay, you don't need, if you take a look at here, guys, I'm only trading this. Okay, you don't need 10 currency pairs to make money. I'm only trading with this. Focus on high payout here. Okay, so I'm going to choose what I'm trading with. Okay, so as you can see, just the same currency pair I'm trading. All right, it shows that you don't need a lot of currency pairs to make money. All right, so guys, as you guys can see, you can see that it's not easy. Okay, those guys are still in the same place. All right, nobody's moving because there's no need of rushing to be in the number one. They are trying to hold their spot till the end. Okay, so it is practically impossible for me to lose this. Okay, even with just $3,000 here, I'm still on number one. I have with my $3,000, I have 33,000. With $3,000, I have 3 times what they have. Okay, so once again, when someone is selling any AI bot for you, tell that person to use it and participate on on the brokers tournament. Okay, since that person selling that AI is making money, tell that person to participate in brokers tournament so that you can go and check and make sure that it is working. I'm using this. I'm showing you guys that it's working. Okay, so I'm taking my time to make this video because I will not be making I'll not be showing you the tournament all the time. Does not make sense. Okay, so I'm taking my time to do it. I choose this one. Why? Is because of the time is going to end. Okay, so I had enough time to be able to trade and show you, make videos. Okay, because I'm not going. It's not possible to cover everything in one video. Okay, we have a buy signal. Oh, sorry guys. This is for 30 seconds or or 1 minute. Okay, 30 seconds or 1 minute. So I'm going to wait. So if this close as red, I'm going to see it as a. I'm going to buy again. Okay, because for 30 seconds. Okay, so this should be my martingale. Let's call it like that. Okay, so if you put it on 1 minute, it's for 30 seconds. It trades for 30 seconds expiry or for 1 minute expiry. Okay, that is how it works. Okay, I purposely left it like this to show you guys. Okay, now let's go to, so that trade is lost. Losing is part of trading. Okay, so there's nothing wrong with that. Okay, so let's come down here. Remember to use this. Okay, let's go. I need to check where we stopped on the money management system. So we have checked this. This I told you guys don't use it for now. I'm going to show you where it will be located, and it's on the read bot side, the real one that is working. Okay, this one is not going to make money. Don't use it for now. So we have covered this. Let's check now. Okay, I think guys we have covered this, right? Yes, I think we have covered this in the last video. So let's go to the last one. Let's check it out. So we have this here, manual recovery. Yeah. So after this, I think it will remain the Masanello. I'm going to show you how to make money with Masanello later. So let's cover this one guy here. Okay. So this is also very, very good. I like this guy here. And I'm going to explain to you, if you have a bigger amount, lot size, bigger amount, it is very, very perfect. I'm going to give you an example here. Okay. But I'm going to start trading with $3,000. I'm going to make sure that I win $3,000 before I resume trading. Now, this is a recovery system that you have on many auto trading bots, okay, for binary option. But this is a little bit different because this gives you more rooms to trade. Okay, so we are going to plan how to use it. So here I'm going to put 3,000. So this is a slightly different from what you knew out there. Okay, so you can put any initial stake amount you want, put the payout, which is 90%. You have to shake it. So you can recover from 35% of your total loss. You can choose the percentage you want. Okay, so I personally, I like to recover from 100%. Okay, I personally. Okay, martingale coefficient, I'm going to put 1.3. All right, oh, sorry, 1.3. Okay, so I'm using one martingale. Minimum positive, guys, here it is where it is important. Okay, minimum positive, I'm going to put it to be 0.5% of account I'm risking. Remember that 0.5% of account I'm risking. So 1% of $3,000 is $30. So 0.5% of that is 15. All right, so that is minimum positive that we are looking for. So now, how much do I trade with? Okay, I'm going to come here and put 3. All right, so it's $1 for $1,000, $2 for $2,000, $3 for $3,000. That's why I'm saying if you have money, it's good. But if you don't have, use this. Okay, use this one here. Let me show you guys. Use this one here. Please target 5 to 10% maximum trading binary option. Don't try to double your account. It will affect your brain. Okay, use this money calculator and you'll see your progress. Okay, now let's continue here. When you have a big amount, you will never, it's almost impossible for you to lose money. Okay, so here is our settings. All right, and once again, I think because the voice is not coming, so I'm going to switch to our my other system here so that you can hear the voice. All right, but before that, let's trade the signal manually outside the money management system to get back to 3,000 at least. Okay, so 257. Okay, I'm going to put it back, guys, because there's no time. That's why I don't show you this. But this is to trade for 1 minute and 30 seconds expiry, and it takes time to generate signal. And with that being said, I'm going to switch back to 5 seconds. Okay.
Sell signal on GBP
Okay.
US.
Here we are. Here we are. Save. I hear the voice, but here it's not showing. But I follow the voice. Okay, to sell. And here we go. So we are back to we are back to the 33,000. So I'm going to go down. So we are going to follow our money management system. Now I'm going to off this. Okay, so we are going to get it from our other device so that we can use the money management system.
Good morning, friend. It's Wednesday, a fresh start. Remember, every trade is a learning opportunity. Focus on your process, manage your risk, and trust your analysis. You've got this.
So let's begin, guys. How to use this guy here. Okay, so you have, this is clear. Okay, now I have this here that I am able to see the next trades. Okay, I'm able to see the next trades here. All right. So the first one is 3, second one is 690. All right. So let's start. I'm waiting for the signal. Let's wait for the signal, guys. Remember, this is for 5 seconds. Let's get ready.
Trading opportunity. Buy signal on GBP US dollar OTC. Confidence 75%.
So guys, first one was lost, second one was win. So click lost and win. Take you back to 3. Okay.
New buy signal detected for GBP US dollar OTC. Confidence level 75%.
So trade on 5 seconds. I have to be fast to put the next amount. Okay. So what we want that, I will go back to 3 and mark it as 1. You can see if you win plus 270 is the same thing. Okay. If you lose 3. So here it shows you the total profit and loss. Okay. Like I'm saying.
Trading opportunity. Sell signal on GBP US dollar OTC. Confidence 75%.
Like I'm saying, guys. So we lost that. We click loss, right? Next trade is going to show you 990. Let's wait for signal.
New buy signal detected for GBP US dollar OTC. Confidence level 75%.
So we want that, which is here. We click win. It show you. It takes you back to 3. So it's not going to insist in recovery a lot. Okay. So the risk here is lesser than what you have on with other.
Signal alert. Sell GBP US dollar OTC with 75% confidence.
Okay, that was a win. We go back to 3. So guys, what I'm doing is that make sure that the video is 30 minutes. Then I'm going to make it, speed it up and reduce it. Okay.
Trading opportunity. Buy signal on GBP US dollar OTC. Confidence 75%.
We lost that first one. And we won the second one. It takes you back. See that? See this little arrow? That shows you where to trade. If you are not fast enough, please trade with 1 minute, 15 seconds expiry, 30 seconds expiry. Okay.
Trading opportunity. Buy signal on GBP US dollar OTC. Confidence 75%.
Lost the first one. Was that a loss? Yeah, that's a loss. We lost the second one. It will give you next trade 990.
Trading opportunity. Buy signal on GBP US dollar OTC. Confidence 75%.
That was a win. Go back to 3. Always check this, guys.
Signal alert. Buy GBP US dollar OTC with 75% confidence.
That was a win. Click win here, $12. Go back to 3.
Signal alert. Buy GBP US dollar OTC with 75% confidence.
That was a win. No need. $15. I'm going to try to reach 30, which is 1%. Okay.
New sell signal detected for GBP US dollar OTC. Confidence level 75%.
That's a win. Guys, I think I don't need to continue to show you this. Okay. You can trade. You don't need to trade the martingale that I'm doing because I put it like this: base amount martingale, then recovery system, the martingale of recovery, another recovery, and so on. Okay.
Signal alert. Buy GBP US dollar OTC with 70% confidence.
See that? So it's totally up to you. Now I can also come here instead of putting $3. So let's try 30, so that because I know that many people are greedy, they would like to. Oh, though before that, I'm going to mark that we want that. Okay, so we have made $20, almost 1%. Okay, but people like big amount.
Trading opportunity. Buy signal on GBP US dollar OTC. Confidence 75%.
Okay, let's that go. But I wanted to trade this. So let's trade this. Okay, let's trade this. Wait again.
Signal alert. Buy GBP US dollar OTC with 75% confidence.
That was win. Click win here. So you will want to see big amount. Okay, so the maximum you can risk is this. Okay, that's all I can tell you. Why I use $3 is that it's impossible to lose money. Okay, so let's trade with 1%.
Signal alert. Buy GBP US dollar OTC with 70% confidence.
We are trading with 1% to make $300, which is 10% faster, right? Okay.
Signal alert. Buy GBP US dollar OTC with 70% confidence.
Okay, that was win. I'll come here and mark it. $81.
New buy signal detected for GBP US dollar OTC. Confidence level 70%.
That's another win. Now, if I trade 1, 2, 3, 4 and come online and tell you it's 100% win rate, that doesn't make sense, guys. I want 100% win rate now, but the market can change. That's why you don't get overconfident to trade. You have to follow the rules.
Trading opportunity. Buy signal on GBP US dollar OTC. Confidence 75%.
So we lost this and won this 113. Okay, let's keep moving. The same result you have here.
Trading opportunity. Sell signal on GBP US dollar OTC. Confidence 75%.
Oh, the win. Can you mark me? You can see the same result. Okay, same result you have here is what you have here. Okay, see the results? Can you see that?
Signal alert. Buy GBP US dollar OTC with 70% confidence.
That's another win. I don't even know if I marked the last win. Okay, so we are about to hit 30 minutes here. I'm going to make the video to be faster, speed it up. Okay,
new sell signal detected for GBP US dollar OTC. Confidence level 75%.
okay, we lost 2. Next trade is $99. Can you see that?
New buy signal detected for GBP US dollar OTC. Confidence level 70%.
So we lost that. Take out to 455.
Signal alert. Sell GBP US dollar OTC with 75% confidence.
We won that. Okay. So it's taking us back to 30 immediately.
Trading opportunity. Buy signal on GBP US dollar OTC. Confidence 75%.
Ooh. What the fuck? So next is 99. Guys, remember, let me tell you one thing. The secret is good that I continue to trade.
Trading opportunity. Buy signal on GBP US dollar OTC. Confidence 70%.
Okay, that was one. Okay. Guys, let me tell you one thing, okay? Here, see this recovery. If you put it here, I'm going to put it here. You have more rooms to trade. Okay, that's important. See that?
Signal alert. Buy GBP US dollar OTC with 75% confidence.
Okay, lost 2, lost. So I advise you to use lower. Okay, so now we are going to trade this. Okay,
Signal alert. Buy GBP US dollar OTC with 70% confidence.
it's a win, and so on, guys. Okay, so it's difficult to lose money here. Okay, it's difficult. I can tell you that. it holds on your trade, okay, for a long time. For you to lose money, it's not easy to lose money here using this.
Signal alert. Sell GBP US dollar OTC with 75% confidence.
So I'm going to close with 4K. That's 4K. Okay. Watch what I'm going to do.
New sell signal detected for GBP US dollar OTC. Confidence level 75%.
And there we go. All right. So this is it for this video. Okay. Hope you enjoy it. The link to this app is pocketcandleai.com. See you guys. Guys, I'm very tired. Take a look at this. 8 a.m. in the morning.
Trading opportunity. Sell.